Hey, I'm Sarah, and I'm so excited. I mean, I think my daughter is more excited, but we were just sent these Tabba squishy toys that you make yourself. This is the full kit, and it's all Christmas oriented. You have everything you need, from the gloves to wear to mix it up. You have all of the little cups for your mixings if you're wanting to do different molds, and you have the different gels to mix in. So you equal parts of gel A and B. Then you have the colors. So if you want to do a little green Christmas tree or red little stocking here, Santa, I mean, it's all right here. You even get little bags to put them in, so you can put them in as gifts. You have your toppings to make them all fun. I mean, little pouring things. This has got everything. You got your sticks to be able to mix it all up. So I am going to make some of this up. And then it does say it takes about 2 hours to sit. So once we get this all mixed up, we'll check it out. So we've got these opened up, and now we just do equal parts, and they do have the little lines on the side so you know exactly how much to put in there. And then you get your colored silicone. All right, so we let these sit, and these are so fun. To pour them out, it's really simple because of this nice little silicone thing. It does say you can use other tools to get it out, but I mean, it comes out really nice. And these are super fun feeling. I mean, these would be great to let your kids play with. And they do have these nice little cards in here, so you can add them into the nice little container, staple them on. I mean, you've got so many different options of things to do with these. Decorate them, put them on little keychain kind of things. These would be fun as a gift, or just to let kids sit around and play with these squishy gels for hours.